people in this world, or rather, people in the 6 realms. No matter what profession they engage in, they will work very diligently and hard. Why? There is fame and gain involved. They can obtain fame and profit, so they work very responsibly. How can those without fame and gain persevere diligently? That depends on their compassion. That is what is being said here. For all sentient beings, developing great compassion. These sentient beings are sentient beings of the 10 Dharma realms, especially referring to sentient beings in the 6 realms. Sentient beings in the 6 realms suffer too much. Especially what we encounter in this lifetime. Although technology advances rapidly day by day, morality has declined. Scientists and many in the world, national governments, constantly remind us there are many, many crises. This past actually cannot be considered past. Financial crisis. We see many reports. Yesterday I saw shocking news sent to me online by students. This is a scientific report saying that Earth's arable land, that is, farmland, after 60 years, will almost completely disappear. This news is terrifying. 60 years will pass quickly. I came to Taiwan at 23. It's been 61 years. No arable land left on Earth. What can we do about this problem? What will people eat? What does this indicate? An extremely serious food crisis. The fresh water problem. The energy crisis. Many things we couldn't imagine have now become crises. When we hear these reports, I am now 84 years old. I cannot possibly live another 60 years. It's impossible. I often think that if I can live another 10 more years, that would be remarkable. In ancient China, people over 80 were said to be in their final years. Which means one must know they could depart at any time. Then we think, what about future generations? Young people in today's world. What about the children? When we see this situation, do we have compassion? Yes. We do have compassion. But we haven't done our utmost to help them. So our great compassion is still insufficient. Therefore, the purpose of the Bodhisattva's teaching is hoping that we develop great compassion for all sentient beings which means to have pity for sentient beings.